Hello everyone, Kabiting Joy. Today I have come to Vishal Mega Mart opposite Bank of India, Senapati. Here, you will get the latest fashion at most affordable prices. Here, you will get the trendy ladies t-shirt 99 onwards, kurta 149 onwards, jeans 299 onwards. For men's, they have an amazing collection of men's t-shirt 99, shirts starting just 299, jeans starting 399 onwards. Not just this, but get the lowest prices on food and grocery and get best deals on top quality crockery, home furnishings and kitchen appliances. Vishal Mega Mart has launched its new store in Senapati opposite Bank of India.